The Scarecrow by Miss Brandage's class. The farmer built a scarecrow and put it in the field to keep the crows away.
Along came a horse.
The Scarecrow scared the horse, and the horse ran away.
Along came a cow.
The Scarecrow scared the cow, and the cow ran away.
Along came a dog.
The Scarecrow scared the dog, and the dog ran away.
Along came a goat.
The Scarecrow scared the goat, and the goat ran away.
Along came a duck.
The Scarecrow scared the duck, and the duck ran away.
Along came a pig.
The Scarecrow scared the pig, and the pig ran away.
Along came a chicken.
The Scarecrow scared the chicken, and the chicken flew away.
Along came a cat.
The Scarecrow scared the cat, and the cat ran away.
Along came a horse.
The Scarecrow scared the horse, and the horse ran away.
Along came a crow.
The Scarecrow scared the crow, and the crow ran away. The farmer built a scarecrow. He put it in the field to keep all the animals away.